Surah Al-Fil.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل؟ ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
Welcome back to Quizlam. Here you have to guess the right answer. So if you do one question right, it equals to 5 points. Let's start. Whoop. What does Al-Fil mean? A. Camel. B. Bird. C. Elephant. D. Horse. Tick 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 tick. Ding! The correct answer is C. Elephant. Elaboration. This surah is named after the event of the elephants. The story of the army with elephants led by Abraha to destroy the Kaaba. Whoop! Is Surah Al-Fil Makki or Madini? A. Mani. B. Makki. C. Both. D. Don't know. Tick 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 tick. Ding! The correct answer is B. Makki. Elaboration. Surah Al-Fil was revealed in Makkah, addressing Quraysh directly. Whoop! How many ayat are in Surah Al-Fil? A. 4. B. 7. C. 6. D. 5. Tick 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 tick. Ding! The correct answer is D. 5. Elaboration. Surah Al-Fil has 5 ayat, a short surah with a strong reminder. Whoop! What is the miracle in the surah? A. Prophet's staff. B. Sea splitting. C. Fire cooling. D. Birds defeating elephants. Tick 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 tick. Ding! The correct answer is D. Birds defeating elephants. Elaboration. وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ طَيْرًا أَبَابِيلَ. Abraha came from Yemen intending to destroy the Kaaba, brought elephants. Elephants symbolized great power in war. Birds defeated the elephants. Allah protects His sacred places and people. Whoop! How did Allah destroy Abraha's army? A. With floods. B. With lightning. C. By birds throwing stones. D. By earthquakes. Tick 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 tick. Ding! The correct answer is C. By birds throwing stones. Elaboration.
ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل.
Allah destroyed Abraha's army by birds throwing stones. Allah's help can come in unexpected ways. Personal takeaway of this surah: Allah protects His sacred places and people. What is your learning from this surah? Hope you learned something new today with me. See you later, guys. Wait, before that, comment in the box below how much you got in the quiz. Thank you.